It's going down. That's right. You know where I come from? I just came from 44-3 Queen Street, which is just behind me. So this is another different video, because obviously these are two different projects. So we would like to keep them separate for obvious reasons, because they are different projects. So that's it. That's what it is. Otherwise the video takes too long. So that's a boom mobile crane. That's a 80 ton crane crossing the road quickly, obviously. And I'll show you what they're doing over here. I'm surprised they're working on a Sunday. Last time they were not working, but here we are. These guys must have been working overnight, but the look of things. So yeah, that's exactly what. Rev it up, rip. You got all the counterweights down there. Yeah. Hey man, it's been a long night, eh? You're going home? It's been a long night. All right. So those guys are locking up. Man, look at this. Yeah. Man, oh man. Look at that. So they guys have pretty much chumped that up, jackhammered that, whatever you want to call it. It happened. So I'm gonna take you around to the other side, because now look at that tower. It's been demolished. Literally kaput. So yeah, this is what we've been 2 weeks. Two weeks is long, man. Like, these guys have literally smashed this out. I'll take you around. Yeah guys, I just walk around from Queen Street, and I'm on this side of this street. You can see the tower getting demolished. See that crane they have over there? That crane goes up and down. I know those guys in construction already know that, but this is for the guys who don't know. But we walked down. I had another one of my followers just asked me a question. I said, what do I do? Like, I might do formwork, or do I work in construction? Yes, I do work in construction. I do formwork. I'll go down this street. I've never been this side before, so we'll check it out on this side. I do formwork. I do screens, so I'm a rigger, scaffolder, a doggy, and yeah, I do pretty much. When you're in construction these days, you have to be an all-rounder. Like, you got to do everything pretty much. So because it's just so hard to keep a job if you only do one thing. You're more versatile if you can do more, like, instead of just focusing on just one particular thing. And like I said, a job is a job. You got to do what you got to do. So everyone's different. Some people prefer to stick to one thing and they just do that, and if you ask them to do something, they get offended. But hey, these are different times. You have to move with different volition. So these guys have definitely demolished this, and actually this is a better spot because I get to get a bird's eye view. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, last week, 2 weeks ago when I was here, that thing was pretty much over there. So I haven't uploaded that video for the last 2 weeks, which I will upload that, and then you will see these after, so you can have a clear indication of what I'm talking about. Yeah, so yeah, like you can see, obviously they have made a pretty big effort over here. They have demolished this whole thing and managed to get some of that gravel out. I don't know how, but they have done it. I will definitely come here during the daytime and come and see how they do it, how they get rid of this stuff out. And this other building is also going down. I had a look on the other side of the street. They have already started demolishing, so probably that's what the crane was doing. They will get a little excavator up top and start doing the little demos and all that kind of stuff, and all that gravel just cleaves through as they come down. And you can see the moss climber is already coming down as well. So they pull the whole routine again, go up, strip it, and as the building comes down, the moss climber comes down, the scaffolding comes down, and obviously they have to load it back up on track or whatever they gotta do. So yeah, this is the job site, how it looks like. And as you can see, they salvage that stuff, which is pretty cool. On my last video, I was a little bit concerned that they're gonna waste that, but they didn't, so which is good. So they can always, those things are very valuable. As much as you can see, like they look like nothing, but they're very expensive. Anything to do with construction is expensive. It's not a it's not a job for it's not a job for people with faint hearts. You gotta be really all about it. Put it like that. So it's a gig for tough people, pretty much. So there you go, guys. I'm gonna leave to that. I will post the other video so we can see what these guys have been up to. Obviously, they've made a big change here, and very soon they're gonna bring pilings and that kind of stuff. Maybe give it another maybe three or a month or so, and yeah, we'll see that. So hopefully I answered some of your questions. I do construction, but I'm not wearing my construction clothes at the moment because it's the weekend. So as usual, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Thanks for the support for this channel. Obviously we're growing. I'm just starting into this game. It's been about a year, so, and we'll see where it takes us. Yeah, so yeah, hasta la vista, bye bye, au revoir, all the above, koheri, pow pow. Mamba's out. See you later.